Namaste, I Amina.
And I, Aman, extend a heartfelt welcome to you all as we come together to celebrate our glorious nation on this special day.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable President Sri Sundar Rajan Sir, Honorary Secretary Sri Gopal Krishnan Sir, Honorary Joint Secretary Balkrishnan Sir, Honorary Treasurer Sri Lakshmanan Sir, members of the Managing Committee, respected Principal of Secondary Section Aruna Ma'am, respected Headmistress of Primary Section Jayashree Ma'am.
Respected Supervisor of Secondary Section, Jayanti Ma'am, respected Supervisor of Gokulam, Vriti Ma'am, all teachers, parents, and my dear friends.
Today, we gather here to celebrate.
Everybody, today we have a guest.
Today, we gather here to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of our great nation, India.
So let us begin this joyous occasion with a salute to our tricolor. I now invite Honorable President Sri Sundarajan Sir, Mr. Girish Ajinkya. He is the alumnus and also the son of our ex-teacher Ajinkya Ma'am, accompanied by members of Managing Committee, heads of various sections to come forward and unfurl the national flag, the symbol of our national pride and identity. Ancestors' values of justice, equality, and progress.
Respecting the flag means honoring our heritage and committing to build a brighter future together.
Thank you, Poonam teacher.
As we gather under the fluttering tricolor, a symbol of our unity, courage, and inspiration, let us take a moment to reflect on the essence of this special day. Today, we not only honor our nation's freedom, but also celebrate the values and progress that define us as a people.
This year, we delve deeper into the theme, Swarnim Bharat, Virasat or Vikas, a tribute to our heritage and acknowledgement to journey forward. It's a theme that reminds us who we are, where we come from, and where we are headed.
Our Virasat, our heritage, connects us to the roots of our incredible culture, values, and history, while Vikas, progress, inspire us to dream bigger and work harder to create a brighter tomorrow.
So as we begin today's program, let us carry the spirit of Swarnim Bharat in our hearts, honoring the past and embracing the future. With that, let's move on the next segment of our celebration.
It is my honor to invite our beloved principal, Aruna Ma'am, to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished dignitaries.
To grow from the inside out, none can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. In these inspiring words of one of India's great philosophers, Swami Vivekananda, good morning and a warm namaste to one and all present over here. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy 76th Republic Day. On this occasion, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome our esteemed guests and all the dignitaries of the SRWS family. Now, I request our student council members to felicitate the dignitaries by presenting a small token of appreciation. I welcome our guest for the day, SRWS alumnus Girish Ajinkya. He is also son of our retired teacher Ajinkya ma'am. A round of applause, dear. Then we have Honorable President Sundarajan sir. We also welcome our Honorary Secretary Gopal Krishnan sir. Lakshman sir. Primary Headmistress Jayashree Madam, Gokulam Supervisor Stuti Madam, thank you. Welcome. A warm welcome to our parents, teaching and non-teaching staff of all sections, and my dear students. स्वर्णिम भारत, स्वर्णिम भारत, विरासत और विकास. So students, I would like to understand, what do you understand by the word swarnim? Yes, what do you understand by the word swarnim? आप क्या समझते हो स्वर्णिम वर्ड से? कोई भी जवाब दे. किसी को भी नहीं पता स्वर्णिम का मतलब? स्वर्णिम मतलब गोल्डन. स्वर्णिम भारत, हम वो मौके पे हैं आज जहाँ पे हम हमारे जो इतना विशाल भारत का विरासत है, the heritage of all that we have learned, we have got from our ancestors, we have to take it forward. Now, while taking it forward, we should also understand the importance of technology. And now with artificial intelligence coming in, it's very important. We need to learn how to use it and not get abused by it. So we are going to use technology, we are going to take our India into the future, and this is not just the responsibility of the teachers, parents, but the students. You are going to lead our India to the next future. So while leading students, there are certain things which you may face in your life. Most important is your fear. What happens when you do a new thing? Do you feel confident? What do you have? You feel nervous, right? But whenever you feel nervous, what do? Do you sit down? Do you feel scared? Or do you think, let me try out? Say loudly. Say loudly, whatever you think. You are saying, okay, no problem. Whenever we feel scared, we sit down, right? Or what do we think? We can try it out. So do you think that you can try it out? Say loudly, please. Right. So here when you try it out, there again are two things happening to you. Either you win or you lose. But both experiences are equally important for us to go ahead in life. So, for all of us over here, again I would like to quote Swami Vivekananda before I end my welcome address. Take risks in your life. If you win, you lead. If you lose, you can die. So on this note, thank you. Jai Hind. God bless us all.
Bella Principal for the gracious and warm welcome given to our dignitaries. Your thoughtful words and hospitality reflect the true spirit and honor of our institution. On this special occasion, Master Yuvraj of Senior KG would like to express his love towards our district.
Sir and my dear friends, happy 76th Republic Day. Today is not just a day to celebrate, it's a day to be promises. Just like we promise to finish our homework or be good to our friends, we can make promise to our country too. Let's promise to keep our India clean and green. Let us be responsible while discarding wrappers and packets. Pick up trash and plant trees. Take care of our surroundings. Our India is like a garden, and we are the little gardeners, making sure it stays beautiful. Let's promise to be kind to everyone, no matter where our guests come from, what language they speak, what they look like. We can be friends.
Republic Day, let's promise to learn and grow. Education is the key to a bright future. So let's study hard, ask questions, but become the best version of ourselves. We love our country, India. Let's take care of it. We can make a difference. Happy Republic Day, Jai Hind. Obtained by Gokulam Supervisor Smruti Ma'am.
Miss Nishita Kekan from standard 7A will speak in Marathi. She is trained by Poonam teacher.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मुख्याध्यापक, शिक्षक वृंद आणि माझ्या विद्यार्थी मित्र मैत्रिणी, यंदाच्या 76व्या प्रजासत्ताक दिनाच्या तुम्हा सगळ्यांना मनपूर्वक शुभेच्छा. सूर्याच्या सोनेरी किरणांनी उजाडली प्रजासत्ताक दिनाची पहाट, तिरंगी झेंडा उंच फडकू या निळ्या आभाळात. भारत मातेला वंदन करून करते मी माझ्या भाषणाला सुरुवात. प्रजासत्ताक दिन हा फक्त एक उत्सव नसून तर आपल्या देशाच्या अभिमानाचा आणि गौरवाचा दिवस आहे. या वर्षीच्या प्रजासत्ताक दिनाची संकल्पना आहे स्वर्णिम भारत, विरासत आणि विकास. भारत हा आपल्या समृद्ध परंपरा आणि संस्कृतीसाठी जगभरात प्रसिद्ध आहे. हजारो वर्षांपासून आपल्या देशाने ज्ञान, कला, विज्ञान आणि तंत्रज्ञानाच्या क्षेत्रात मोठे योगदान दिले आहे. रामायण, महाभारत, योग आणि आयुर्वेद यासारख्या गोष्टी आपल्या सांस्कृतिक परंपरेचा अभिमान आहे. आपल्या वीर जवानांनी आणि स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांनी दिलेल्या बलिदानामुळे आज आपण स्वातंत्र्याचा श्वास घेत आहोत. त्यांच्यामुळेच आपला भारत एक लोकशाही राष्ट्र बनला. परंतु फक्त विकासच नाही तर विकासही तेवढाच महत्त्वाचा आहे. आजचा भारत जगातही वेगाने प्रगत होणाऱ्या देशापैकी एक आहे. चंद्रावर यशस्वीरित्याने पाठवलेले चंद्रयान 3, गगनभरारी घेणारे तेजस विमान, डिजिटल इंडिया आणि जगातील स्तरावर वाढती आर्थिक प्रगती हे आपल्या विकासाचे स्पष्ट चिन्ह आहे. शिक्षण, आरोग्य, तंत्रज्ञान आणि महिला सक्षमीकरण या क्षेत्रामध्ये आपली प्रगती अतुलनीय आहे. आजचा तरुण फक्त आपली स्वप्न पूर्ण करत नाही तर आपल्या देशालाही एका नवीन उंचीवर नेत आहे. मित्रांनो, आपली जबाबदारी आहे की आपण आपल्या परंपरेचा सन्मान करावा आणि आपल्या देशाच्या प्रगतीसाठी योगदान द्यावे. शिक्षण, कर्तव्यनिष्ठ आणि एकजूट ही आपली मुख्य शस्त्र असतील. चला आपण सर्वजण मिळून भारताचा भविष्य उज्ज्वल करूया आणि स्वर्णिम भारत या संकल्पनेला वास्तवात आणूया. म्हणूनच जाता जाता एवढेच सांगेन, विविधतेत एकता आहे आमची शान, म्हणूनच आहे भारत देश महान. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Nishita for the inspiring and heartfelt speech. It truly reminded us of the rich heritage, the sacrifices of our brave soldiers, and the tremendous progress India has made. Let us all contribute to the vision of Swarnim Bharat, a golden and prosperous India.
It's time to witness the special performance that reflects the love and pride we hold for our nation. The teachers from primary and pre-primary section are here to present a soulful patriotic song.
Happy Republic Day. Just a small introduction. Today whatever we are performing, actually last week we got secured first prize for inter-school group singing for teachers category.
मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क भरे,
मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा इतनी थी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी थी है दिल की आरज़ू सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका ओ वतनावे मेरे वतनावे तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था कुर्बान हुआ तेरी अजमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Kept off feet tapping. Thank you, dear teachers, Rahul sir and Aditya.
Martin Esther Dhangal of Standard 6 is ready to share his thoughts on this special day. He is trained and guided by Arvind sir.
नेत्रा दंगल माँ सरस्वती को नमन करते हुए यहाँ पर उपस्थित आदरणीय अध्यक्ष जी एवं गणमान्य जन तथा भाइयों और बहनों को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। साथियों, हम सब बाल युवा हैं जो आने वाले भारत के भविष्य के डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, नेता, अभिनेता बनकर इस राष्ट्र का निर्माण करेंगे। जरूरी नहीं है कि देश का युवा फांसी पर चढ़कर ही देश की सेवा करे, वह चांद और मंगल पर भी जा सकता है। जरूरी नहीं है कि देश की बेटियां रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की तरह तलवार लेकर घोड़े पर ही दौड़े, वह बहन मनु भाकर की तरह निशानेबाजी में और हीमा दास की तरह मेडल लाकर ट्रैक पे भी दौड़ सकती है। साथियों, आज हमारे देश का युवा लोकल फॉर वोकल तथा मेक इन इंडिया के सिद्धांतों पर चलकर आज भारत का भविष्य संवारने में अपना बहुमूल्य योगदान दे रहा है। तभी तो उभर कर दिखने लगी है हमारे स्वर्णिम भारत की अद्भुत एवं विकसित तस्वीर। साथियों, भारत अनंत काल से नेचुरल साइंस का उपासक रहा है। ये वो भारत है जहाँ पेड़ और पौधों की पूजा होती है। ये वो भारत है जहाँ समुद्र और नदियों की पूजा होती है। ये वो भारत
आज दुख इस बात का है कि हम भारतवंशियों को हिंसक कहने की कोशिश हो रही है। हम भारतीयों को हिंसक कहने का प्रयास हो रहा है, जबकि भारत सदियों से शांति का संदेश बहुत रहा है। दुनिया कान खोल कर सुन ले, चाहे ग्लोबल मीडिया हो, चाहे जॉर्ज सोरोस हो या हिंडनबर्ग जैसी टूलकिट एजेंसियां हो, हमें कोई सेक्युलरिज्म का डेफिनेशन ना सिखाए। अध्यक्ष महोदय, भारत धर्म को धारण करने वाला एक पंथ निरपेक्ष देश है, जिसने वसुदेव कुटुंबकम के तर्ज पर सारी दुनिया को अपना परिवार माना है। भला हमें कोई धर्म निरपेक्षता की परिभाषा क्या सिखाएगा? श्रीमान, मैं तो कहता हूँ समय आ गया है इस सेकुलर शब्द को दुनिया फिर से परिभाषित करे। ये समय भारत के नव राष्ट्रवाद का है। ये समय भारत के सांस्कृतिक राष्ट्रवाद का है। ये समय भारत के कल्चरल नेशनलिज्म का है। आज भारत अपने कान में तेल डालकर अपनी खोई हुई विरासतों को पुनर्स्थापित करने का प्रयास कर रहा है। हमारी इस खामोशी को दुनिया कमजोरी समझने की भूल ना करे। ये नया भारत है जो मक्खन से नहीं, पत्थर पर लकीर खींचना जानता है। यह 21वीं सदी का भारत है जो न आंखें दिखाकर चलता है, जो न आंखें दिखाकर चलता है, न आंखें झुकाकर चलता है। यही तो है हमारे आपके सबके सपनों का सक्षम और सशक्त भारत, जो दुनिया की आंखों में आंखें डाल कर चलता है। राहुल सर, चलता है ना? बोलो भारत माता की वंदे वंदे जय हिंद।
Dear Nestra, thank you for such an inspiring and passionate speech. It beautifully highlighted India's glorious culture, traditions, and immense potential of its youth.
चलो जवानों बड़ो जवानों, a song presented by the students of secondary section trained by Rahul sir.
दुश्मन
beautiful. Suswagatam and a warm welcome to all the children, teachers, fellow managing committee members, parents, and all the distinguished guests assembled here, including our dear friend Girish Ajinkya. Thank you for coming. मैं इस गणतंत्र दिवस के लिए उपस्थित जनों को अभिनंदन देता हूँ और शुभकामनाएं इस गणतंत्र दिवस के लिए। गणतंत्र दिवस is always special for everyone, and this year is even more special. जब बच्चों ने इनविटेशन कार्ड जो लेके आया घर में, जिसमें यहाँ जो दृश्य दिखता है यहीं पर यही दृश्य था उस इनविटेशन कार्ड में। मैं ब्रिलियंट टीचर को जरा प्लीज कैन यू प्लीज स्टैंड। I think we should appreciate the wonderful creativity that Madam you have brought to this beautiful occasion and the invitation card. In fact, I wanted everyone to have a look at the invitation card, but the invitation card looks so beautiful right here on this board. So I will also want to thank Ananya and Salil for being so energetic, enthusiastic, and full of josh when you come to invite. And I hope from the next year we will have similar students with similar josh who will come and invite us for all these wonderful occasions. So when I saw this Swarnim Bharat Virasat or Vikas, so this is a shloka, it's a mantra that has been made very popular and ubiquitous by our Prime Minister, who pitches for Vikas and Virasat. In our language we say development and heritage or legacy. We see that at the national level a lot of Vikas and protection of Virasat is happening, which is portrayed so beautifully here by the teacher. We can see our temples, our other monuments, and also where we are going in terms of Vikas, in terms of Vande Bharat trains, windmills, and artificial intelligence and rockets. This is at the national level that we see progress in both the sectors of Vikas and Virasat. So when we see the Republic Day parades that are displayed in Delhi every year, so हम देखते हैं कि हर क्षेत्र, हर राज्य से जो floats जो करते हैं, that displays our Virasat in a very beautiful way. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि भारत ही एक ऐसा देश है जिसमें हम जो 25-26 राज्य के जो हेरिटेज है, it is so different at the same time the same, which we get to see in a matter of 3 hours. तो उसी समय जब ये विरासत की प्रदर्शन होती है, हम ये भी देखते हैं कि हमारे जो जवान है, हमारे एयरफोर्स है, we showcase our development in terms of capabilities of technology, be it the Air Force, be it the Army, or anybody. So we can see that we have Vikas and Virasat going hand in hand. ये जो शब्द और है ना, it is of great significance to all of us. And what better expression of Vikas and Virasat other than what is happening right now in Prayagraj. India is showcasing its Virasat in terms of Kumbh Mela, which we understand is coming once in 144 years. And crores of people have come to witness this Kumbh Mela. I wonder if a place like Prayagraj can handle crores of people without Vikas, without development, without a great airport, without good railway systems, without good roads, without good accommodation, without good places where people can feel safe. So, in order to protect our Virasat, I feel Vikas is so important. ये हो गया राष्ट्र के तरफ से, राज्य के तरफ से. So now we see our own school, Sri Ram Welfare Society. It is a big virasat given to us by the founders of our school. They went out of the way to ensure that we have a very strong legacy, very strong heritage, which we can be proud of. It is displayed so beautifully in the form of our badge itself. If you see the design of the badge, we need to hold on to that, and the tagline that has been given, Tamasoma Jyotir Ganaya, lead me from darkness to light. So that's one thing that they have given to us, whereas we at the Managing Council, year after year, our effort has been to hold on to that heritage, at the same time do development. When you say heritage, what we could see as validating that heritage is having Sri Ram's painting here and a Gurukul का जो symbol है, and inside we have Saraswati, Adishankara, Guru. So these are various expressions of holding on to our heritage that we try as a Managing Council. And at the same time, हमारे बच्चे जो है डिजिटल लेबोरेटरी में वे चमत्कार दिखाते हैं, एंड इन आवर मेकर्स लेबोरेटरी उन लोग 3D का प्रिंटिंग करते हैं, वर्चुअल रियलिटी के बारे में बात करते हैं, AI के बारे में बात करते हैं, ड्रोन्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, 3D प्रिंटिंग करते हैं. So we have both a balance of virasat and vikas right here in Sri Ram School, and I thank each one of the teachers here and the principals for taking this balance of both growth, development and our heritage and legacy. With these words, I would like to end my speech with a call to everyone to join me in singing the praise of Bharat Mata. Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! Vande! Vande!
Today, we gather to celebrate the spirit of determination, perseverance, and hard work. On this special occasion of Republic Day, it is our great privilege to honor a group of extraordinary students who have exemplified the true meaning of success. Despite initial challenges, these young achievers refused to give up. Through remedial teaching, the unwavering support of their teachers, and their own dedication, they have shown remarkable improvement in their SSC board exam results. These students achieved excellent marks due to their regular and sincere attendance in the remedial classes conducted at our school, which was given a boost due to the foresightedness and proactiveness of our respected principal, Aruna ma'am. The students have proven that with determination and the right mindset, nothing is impossible. It gives me immense pleasure to invite these inspiring students of 2024 batch, one by one, to be honored by our respected guest of honor, Mr. Girish Ajinkya sir. So I call out the names of these young achievers. Due to his hard work, Mohammad Danish Tipu secured 65.4% in his SSC board exam by attending the remedial classes. A big round of applause. Bilal Sheikh secured 46. Mantasha Sheikh secured 41%.
Thank you, Jyotsna teacher. Good morning once again to all present here. Today it gives me immense pride to stand before you as we celebrate the remarkable achievements of our talented students who have not only made our institution proud but also set an inspiring example of dedication, discipline and perseverance. We begin with our first ace performer, Master Rihan Sheikh of Standard
110th A. Master Rihan Sheikh, please stand up. Standing score of 88 marks out of 100 in the Geography Talent Search Examination 2024. This examination was coordinated and conducted by Jayashri teacher. So Jayashri teacher, you may also join. Please come. Master Rihan Sheikh has been awarded a gold medal and a certificate for his exceptional performance. Students, please clap for him. Archery is a sport that requires unwavering focus, precision and patience. Qualities that these young achievers have demonstrated with great finesse. Their success is a testament to their hard work, guidance of their coaches and their unwavering support of their families and teachers. As we honor their accomplishments today, let us also recognize the hours of training, resilience and determination that have gone into perfecting this art. So without further ado, let us extend a warm round of applause, please clap for them, as we felicitate these champions who have truly hit the bullseye of success. First, I begin with Sai Natekar. He participated in the 14th FAM Maharashtra State Field Archery Championship 2024-25 held at Alibag, Raigad from 14th and 15th December 2024. Let us clap for this little wonder. The same championship was held at national level at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh from 26th to 29th December 2024, and the winners are Sai again. Sai Natekar one silver. Sai will be waiting there. Next is Abu Zaid Chaudhary, 2 gold, 1 silver. I request Nilin sir to recognize them and bring forward and wait with them. Abu Zaid Chaudhary, who won 2 gold and 1 silver. See children, they are getting gold. Omkar waiting. Nilin sir is there. Bhumika Karvi, 1 gold, 1 bronze. Bhumika. She has not come. Bhumika Karvi, please come forward. She has won 1 gold and 1 bronze. Clap for them, children. Swayam Kavalkar, 2 gold. Swayam Kavalkar, 2 gold. Next is Harshita Naik, 2 gold. Afra Bhatti, 4 gold. As I continue to read their achievements, DSO's Mumbai Suburban District Level Field Archery Championship held on 18th and 19th Jan 2025 at Chacha Nehru Park, Model Town, Andheri West. The results are as Omkar Reshim 5th place, Bhumika Karvi 1 silver, Swayam Kavalkar 4th place, Harshita Naik 4th place, and Afra Bhatti has again secured 1 gold. These students have been selected to represent Team Mumbai Suburban for the upcoming DSO Division Level Field Archery Championship going to be held at the same place on 30th Jan 2025. They are Bhumika, Swayam, Harshita and Afra. Please raise your hands, children. Bhumika, Swayam, Harshita and Afra.
I'd like to acknowledge the contributions made by Shivaram, our General Managing Council member, who has been instrumental in motivating, inspiring, and ensuring that the coaches are supported fully. And Subhash Nair and my boss only. So we have to acknowledge their efforts, and also a couple of sponsors, Mr. Sunil Dodeja and our own Mr. Sudhir Shetty, who have been financially contributing to whatever is the expenses towards taking these children to these heights. I think we need to acknowledge Shivaram, Sunil and Sudhir for jointly in this. Thank you so much.
Rope skipping competition 2024-25 was held in our own school auditorium on Tuesday 21st January 2025. Listen carefully. Our students won 69 gold, 11 silver and 2 bronze in the same. Please clap. To continue, 29 out of 35 skippers have qualified as Team Mumbai Suburban for the DSO Mumbai Division level rope skipping competition, which is going to be held on 1st Feb. You will all wait here, and as I call out your name, please wave out to the crowd. Understood? These are all winners. So I begin with Prachi Solkar, 6A, Bhavna Dhangar, Shifa Sheikh, Ashwini Ugi, Maheshwari Dhangar, Priyanka Dhangar. Please raise out your hands and wave to the crowd. Priyanka Dhangar, Kritika Kulketi, Varun Naik, Krishna Dhangar, Tarun Dhangar, Manasri Dhangar, Bharti Dhangar, Kautuka Pawar, Ved Kambe, Nandini Baner, Pushkar Sel, Kavya Badappa, Sakshi Dhangar, Kashinath Pujari, Akash Sawant, Bhimesha Dhangar, Bharat Pujari, Vishal Puli, Vinayak Pujari, Iram Sheikh, Tarun Dhangar, Aryan Sel, Meer Dakhile and Abu Bakar Sheikh. I am tired, but they are not tired. So this is just the beginning, children, of your achievement. You will do well in life.
School has been honored with the prestigious School with Most Impactful Learning Methods Award at the esteemed A Principals Conclave and Award 2025 organized by Athos Edu Solution. This award was proudly presented to our esteemed Principal Aruna Ma'am, whose vision, leadership and unwavering commitment to excellence have been the driving force behind the success. Her relentless efforts to enhance the learning experience for every student have not only brought this honor but also inspired all of us to aim higher. We are truly grateful for Aruna Ma'am's guidance and dedication to the growth of our school and students. Happy congratulations, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I request all the students to give a thunderous applause and all the teachers and everyone over here to rise for a standing ovation as our beloved Principal Aruna Ma'am will receive this prestigious award. Everybody should stand. Please give a standing ovation and a thunderous applause. I can't hear any applause. I request all the dignitaries, everyone, to come forward and to present this honor to our respected Principal Aruna Pandya.
The honors, thank you, dear teachers. Patriotic dance evokes a sense of unity and shared identity amongst us. It serves as a vibrant expression of our national pride. Here are the students from pre-primary section presenting a patriotic dance. They are trained by Archana teacher and Savita teacher.
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके बात से निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। वैभव के साथ सगाई झांसी में, प्यार हुआ रानी बन आई लक्ष्मीबाई झांसी में, राजमहल में बजी बधाई खुशियां छाई झांसी में, चित्रा ने अर्जुन को पाया शिव से मिली भवानी थी, बुंदेले हर दोनों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी।
With this powerful quote echoing in our hearts, I stand before you to express our sincere gratitude for this wonderful gathering on our 76th Republic Day celebration. Heartfelt thanks to Mr. Girish Ajinkya sir, son of our respected retired teacher Ajinkya ma'am, for gracing this occasion with his presence and inspiring us with his connection to our school's legacy. I would like to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to the esteemed management of our school, Honorable President Sundarajan sir, Honorary Secretary Gopal Krishnan sir, Honorary Treasurer Lakshmanan sir, and respected Council Member Rajalakshmi ma'am, and all other respected members for their steadfast support, exceptional cooperation, and invaluable presence. Your contributions are immeasurable, and we are truly privileged to have your unwavering commitment to the growth and success of our school. Rajan sir, for your inspiring and motivating Republic Day speech. Special thanks to the headmistress of primary section, Jayashree ma'am, supervisor of Gokulam, Smriti ma'am, for gracing the ceremony. Special thanks to overall in-charge teacher, Jayashree teacher, for sincerely following up with all other teachers in charge. Thanks a lot to Meenakshi teacher for diligently preparing the students Aman and Amina of Standard 7 for conferring, ensuring a seamless flow of the program. Heartfelt thanks to Gokulam Supervisor Smriti ma'am for training Yuvraj of Senior KG for the eloquent English speech and Krishita of Standard 7 trained by Poonam teacher for the impactful Marathi speech. A big thank you to Nesra Dangar, trained by Arvind sir, for the inspiring Hindi speech, showcasing linguistic diversity. Thank you Rahul sir, for training the pre-primary and primary teachers and the secondary section students in the patriotic songs. Heartfelt thanks to our student Aditya for his mesmerizing performance on the Mridangam, adding a beautiful rhythm and soul to our Republic Day celebration. Heartfelt thanks to Nikat teacher, Bindu teacher and Jyotsna teacher for orchestrating the recognition of SSC 2024 batch and inter-school achiever. Thanks a lot Archana teacher, Savita teacher and Vanita teacher for training the pre-primary and primary students for the mesmerizing patriotic dance performance. Special thanks to Madhuri teacher and Shweta teacher for teaching and presenting the beautiful folk dance by the students of secondary section. A big salute to Poonam teacher of dancer and the helping staff Rajendra for flawlessly executing the flag hoisting and the command board. Special appreciation to Brinal teacher and Standard 7 students Aman and Amina for the beautiful board decoration and the wonderful invitation card. Thanks to Arvind sir, helping staff Milind, Navin, Abhimanyu, Meena, Renu, along with the primary and pre-primary helping staff who ensured impeccable arrangements for the sound system and the table chair setup. A special thanks to Anjali teacher for overseeing the procurement of flags and pins and also for the token of appreciation. Anjali teacher and Amrita teacher, thank you for this. Thanks to Bimal sir, Dinesh sir and helping staff Naveen for the photography and videography, thus capturing the essence of this celebration for posterity. Thank you so much Gauri teacher, Resha teacher, helping staff Rajendra, Meena, Renu, Abhimanyu and primary, pre-primary helping staff for tea and refreshment. And last but not the least, thanks to all my dear students for your wholehearted participation, enthusiasm and spirit that illuminated our Republic Day celebration. So a big loud round of applause to you all. Before I conclude, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our principal, Aruna ma'am, whose unwavering guidance and support made today's event truly special and successful. Thank you. Wishing you all a happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
A story and a colorful activity.
Today, we bring to you a lively, energetic folk dance by secondary section. They are trained by Madhuri teacher and Shweta teacher.
नीले नभ के नीचे अपना एक भारत मुस्कुरा रहा
Good morning, Suprabhatam to all. A very happy Republic Day to you on the 76th anniversary of our Ganatantra Divas. Yes, as you can see, it will be both Vikas and Virasat. Thank you so much. Happy Republic Day again.
Warm wishes to everyone on 76th Republic Day. On this day, let us honor the values of our Constitution and strive together for a better, prosperous future.
Happy Republic Day to each and every one of you.
Wish you all a very happy Republic Day. सगळ्यांना प्रजासत्ताक दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
प्रजासत्ताक दिनाच्या सर्वांना हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. जय
सोसायटी हायस्कूलच्या वतीने सर्वांना प्रजासत्ताक दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Very, very happy Republic Day.
Good morning everyone. Wishing you all a happy 76th Republic Day.
Wish you all happy Republic Day.
Wish you all a happy 76th Republic Day.
Wish you all a very happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day.
I wish you all a very happy Republic Day.
आज 76वां गणतंत्र दिवस पर मैं देशवासियों को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं. इसी के साथ धन्यवाद.
On the occasion of 76th Republic Day, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day.
मी मिलिंद चंद्रकांत पांचाळ, श्रीराम वेलफेअर सोसायटी हायस्कूलमध्ये रोप स्किपिंग कोच. सर्वांना प्रजासत्ताक दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Happy Republic Day.
आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम आलिया है.
आज ये स्कूल में जो प्रोग्राम हुआ 26 जनवरी का, तो ये स्कूल का प्रोग्राम आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. इट वॉज वेरी ऑसम. बहुत ही टैलेंट बच्चों ने अपना दिखाया, सबने अपना ट्रेडिशन दिखाया एंड बहुत अच्छा था. जो मैनेजमेंट था इसका बहुत ऑसम था.
तो आप चाहते हैं ऐसे कुछ अलग और प्रोग्राम किए जाए?
हाँ सर, डेफिनेटली होना चाहिए ना, और भी प्रोग्राम्स होने चाहिए और पेरेंट्स को भी देखने का मौका मिलना चाहिए साथ ही साथ में.
देखा आपने, जैसे पेरेंट्स यहाँ पर आई और कोई अलग पेरेंट्स से बात करते हैं, आप बात करेंगे. आपका नाम?
शिवलीला.
शिवलीला जी, आज ये कार्यक्रम हुआ, प्रोग्राम हुआ, इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सर बहुत अच्छा कंडक्ट करते हैं. स्कूल में जो कंडक्ट करे हुए प्रोग्राम्स होने दे, एक्टिविटीज़ होने दे, हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छा स्कूल है. इससे अच्छा स्कूल यहाँ अंधेरे में किधर नहीं मिलेगा मेरे ख्याल से. अरुणा पांडे मैम भी हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगती है. वो स्ट्रिक्ट जो स्कूल में रूल्स रेगुलेशंस फॉलो करते हैं ना, हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
तो जैसा आपने सभी ने देखा, ये स्कूल में जो प्रोग्राम हो रहे हैं, प्रोग्राम के बारे में सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स नहीं मगर सारे पेरेंट्स भी इससे खुश हैं और कहते हैं कि और अच्छे प्रोग्राम हो चाहिए. धन्यवाद.